Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you tips to make your spreadsheet looks good. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets on my laptop and I have prepared my data, and this is my data, and we're going to make this data looks good on this spreadsheet. Okay guys, and the first thing we have to do is selecting the data that we want to edit. And for example, I'm going to put border for this data, so just click on the border option right here. Then you can select the border style that you want to apply, and I'm going to apply all borders. Okay, and we can adjust the position of the text. So for the first row, I'm going to make it centered, so just select the first row like this. Then we can click on this option, this horizontal align. Then since I'm going to make it center, I'm going to click on center. Okay, and for the code class and score column, I'm going to make it centered as well. So just select the column like this. Then we can click on horizontal align, then just click on center. Okay, and after that, if we want to make our table more interesting or more captivating, we can put colors to our table. So just select all of the part of the table. Then after that, we can click on fill colors, then just click on alternating colors right here. Then you can select the style that you want, and for example, I'm going to select this color. Okay, and as you can see that our table looks way better than before, right? Alright guys, and that's all the tips from me to make our Google Sheets more interesting or more captivating, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.